Hello and welcome to the official MOZA Racing track guide for the F4 Challenge on iRacing. This week's track is Autodromo Hermanos Rodríguez in Mexico City, and the guide's been provided by myself, Sambo iRacing. Let's start the hot lap. So here we are, smashing it down the longest straight in iRacing as we wait to get to turn 1. Now at this point, this is where I can tell you that the brake bias is shown on the wheel cam, 55% that I'm running here. And you can also see my nice MOZA M booster pedal set. Right, for turn 1, what we're looking for is the 3 marker coming up on the left-hand side, and we brake up to about 90%, wipe off that speed, down to 3rd gear, back on the gas. Now we're going to do a little dab on the brakes, and then absolutely flat out as we go through turn 3. We're going to head back over to the right-hand side here, and what we're looking for are these markers on the right hand side, and we're going to start braking once we get to the 2 marker. So we brake up to 79%, as you can see, down to 2nd gear, back on the gas. Now we're just going to do a light dab once again as we go through there. Nice wide entry as we go through this little section in 2nd gear, back on the gas, over to the right hand side. Now what we're looking for actually is this porta potty on the right hand side. Once we've gone through there, we're going to do a light dab on the brakes, back on the gas in 4th gear, and we want to really get our car over these curbings here. You've really got to cut them to maximize the time. Back over to the left-hand side, light dab on the brakes, and again in 4th gear, cutting the corner, and then really cutting the corner once again, but flat out through this section here at turn 11. We're going to head over to the left-hand side, try not to hit the wall, and what we're looking for is the rumble strip on the left-hand side. Once we're halfway along that from where we are now, that's when we're going to brake up to about 75%, down to 3rd gear, cutting the corner, exit nice and wide, head over to the right-hand side. Just before we get to the curbing, as you can see now, we get on the brakes up to about 60%, down to 1st gear, back on the gas, up to 2nd gear. We're now going to take a really wide entry into the final corner. Once we've gone over the curbs, on the brakes, in 2nd gear, back on the gas. Hug it close, round to the right-hand side, and over and across the line we go in a 1:43.4. Join us again this week on iRacing for the F4 Challenge presented by MOZA.